What if ham radio was never really about the radios? I mean, think about it. I'm Josh, AA4WX. You're in HamShackTV. Thanks for tuning in. You know, we've spent decades talking about antennas, modes, gear, and repeaters. But when you strip it all away, what's left? People. Ham radio has always been about connection, about that moment when a voice crackles through the static from miles away, and you realize there's another human being on the other end of that signal. Someone who's awake, listening, and answer back. That's the magic. It's not the equipment that makes this hobby special. It's the stories behind every contact. The dad teaching his daughter how to make her first QSO. The storm spotter relaying damage reports when cell service is gone. The lonely operator who finds a friend 600 miles away just by calling CQ. That's what this hobby is all about. Curiosity, communication, and compassion. But somewhere along the way, we've let the hardware overshadow the humanity. We've started arguing about who uses the right mode and who's doing it right and what counts as a real radio. And in the process, we forgot why we first started doing this in the first place. The truth is, ham radio isn't about radios. It's about people. The radios are just the bridge, because when the internet goes down and goes dark and the world gets quiet, we will still be there. Voices in the static, proving that communication doesn't need Wi-Fi. That's what makes this hobby timeless. And it's why we can't let it fade away. If you've been thinking about getting your ham radio license or getting back into the hobby, now is the time. Check out hamradioprep.com. They're making learning, they make learning the material simple and enjoyable with online courses that fit your schedule. You can use my code HamShackTV at checkout. You'll get 10% off. And if you don't pass your test on the first attempt, they will refund you 100% of your money back, guaranteed. You'll need to see the website for details. That's hamradioprep.com. Coupon code HamShackTV. Because this hobby was never about radios. It was always about us. And it still is. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Guys, can't appreciate you enough. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up down below if you agree with what I'm saying. Also, get in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are. What's the next generation look like? Also, don't forget 10,000 subscriber giveaway. We're giving away an HF rig, an ICOM 7300, brand new. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend, bring them in. 73 AA4 WX WSCB 693.